what's happening YouTube. If you haven't already, make sure you like and subscribe. So I'm just working in someone's garden today, just basically cutting the long grass. Yeah, so just basically cutting it right down. There's a lot of grass. So for example over here, a long grass, so just cutting it right down. I've done some already here, so I'll show you what I mean. Yeah, so cutting it right down to the roots, not to the roots, but you know, about a fifth away. Yeah, cutting it right down, cutting all the grass. Interesting job. Make sure you like and subscribe. Peace. Hedge cutting today. Love playing with the power tools. Make sure you subscribe. Peace. Making some good progress now. I've cut all this long grass down there. This is how long it is. Crazy length. So I've got to cut all that down right to the roots, or about a foot down. So I've got cut all that down. You can see where I've got to cut it. Right down there. So do all that bit as well. Yeah, do all that bit as well. Some down there, and then I'll show you around here. This is what I've done around the back already. I mean, it's not too hard. It's just so much of it, because it grows so quickly. So I come here like once a year, and then this is all done so far. Yeah, so cut all the grass, all the long grass off. So yeah, looking good anyway. Now I've got the illustrated job of putting all this grass into the bags. It's going to be a bloody long day. So much of it. This just one section. It's all around the house. My God. Yeah, so looking much cleaner now. All been cut down. First bag of garden waste. So hot today. Almost there now though. Just checking all the grass now in the builder bags. But yeah, nice day today. But yeah, job almost finished. Still got all this grass to put in the bags. But it's come a long way though. That was really high. That was like covering the window before. So I've cut it all down. Same here. That was literally covering the window. So I've cut it all down now, so it looks much neater. Yeah, so that's me all finished now. Trimmed all the grass down, put it in the bags, took it away. It's come from a long way from where it was. So I took all the grass away now. There was loads of it. So this grass was like 7 feet high, all of it. And done around the front as well. Like I said, this grass was taller than me, so the fact I've got it down so low is great. Bit there, some bits there as well. Yeah, so good job. Peace.